Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable USB ports on your Windows 11 PC or in your Windows 11 laptops. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple methods. I think this method will also work on your Windows 10. So for this guys, first you need to open your device manager, press Windows key button, and here you need to search device manager. After this guys, just open it. Okay, now in the device manager guys, just you need to extend universal serial bus controller. Okay, and here you can get your all USB ports on your PC. As you can see, USB composite device, USB root hub, USB root hub 3.0. If you want to disable any of USB port on your PC, so for example I want to disable this port, just right click on it, and here guys you can get the option disable device. That's it. If you want to disable it, so just you need to select this option. So this is the easy and very simple method to disable the USB ports on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.